Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search icon and click here, search for settings. Click here to open it. On this window, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process. After that, download and install the latest version. Once done, close this window and go to search bar. Then type troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. After that, go to other troubleshooters. Then scroll down and click on run from Windows stored apps. This will try to detect the problems and resolve it. Once done, close this window. Then go to search bar and type here settings. Click here to open it. Then go to apps tab. Then select apps and features. Now just scroll down and from the Microsoft Photos, go to advanced options. Scroll down, simply click on repair. After that, we need to select reset option. Now close this window. Then go to search bar and type here Microsoft Store. Click here to open it. Then search for Microsoft Photos. Click here to open it. Simply you need to update your Microsoft Photos. After that, search for HEIF image extension and click here to open it. Again, update this one. Once done, close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.